Hello everyone, hope you are doing fine. This week we're going to take a new sound, but this sound we already learned about. So together we will go to meet the sound k, but it's a very strong k. Why? Because a clever cat and kicking king are sitting next to each other so they can make the sound strong. Okay, let's go to the letter land and see the sound k. Let's start with the story first. I am Clever Cat and I say k. I am Kicking King and I say k. We both say k, but where should we sit in the word? Where can I find the sound k in the word? Usually, Kicking King likes to sit at the end of the word because he doesn't like too much crowded between the words. That's why he likes to sit at the end of the word. And that's make Clever Cat sit behind him, okay, so she can watch him how he kick the ball. So that's why we can find them at the end of the word. So the sound k, we find it at the end of the word. Now, let's go to explore some words that end with the sound k, not start, that end with the sound k. This is kicking king and never cat. Never cat says k in word, and kicking king says k in word. So they both say the same, but we cannot find them at the beginning of the word. We just find them at the end of the word. We can find them like words like kick, sack, and suck. Kick, sack, and suck. Now let's read the words that has the same ending sound of k. Whenever I say sack, I say a strong k at the end, so I'm going to hear Clever Cat and Kicking King at the same time. Do you see them here together? Where are they? At the beginning or at the end of the words? Correct. So they are at the end of the word. Sack, sack, sack. Duck, duck, duck. This is a rock. R-o-k, rock. Kick, kick, kick. And suck, s-o-k, suck. Now, about the song and about the story, I'm going to paste for you a link on YouTube so you're going to be able to listen to the story and listen to the song at the same time. Okay? Because here you're not going to hear the voice of the video. Okay, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you your homework for this week. It's going to be about the sound k, the strong k. So here we're going to tick, which is page 65. We're going to tick the words that has the same ending sound, and then we're gonna match and draw something that starts with that ends, sorry, with the sound k. And here we're going to trace the sound k. So this is going to be your homework for this week. Now stay safe and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.